Flash Traffic Bot. Introduction. Today we will talk about Flash Traffic Board and explain what it is and how it works. Flash Traffic Board is a powerful software that helps you bring organic-style traffic to your website and improve the ranking of your keywords in search engines. If your website is already indexed in search engines and you want to improve its position and visibility, this software can help you achieve that by generating search-based traffic through different platforms. How to use the software. First of all, whenever you open the software, make sure to run it as Run as Administrator. When the software opens for the first time, you will see a Purchase Key activation window. If you have purchased the software, you will receive a purchase key. Simply enter that key in the activation field. Once the key is entered, the software will automatically activate. After activation, the software will start downloading the Flash Traffic Browser. This is a one-time download, which means it will only download the first time you run the software. Once the download is completed, the software will be fully ready to use. Now let's talk about the dashboard and the features available inside the software. Dashboard. The first section is the dashboard. Here you can see the overall statistics of the software, including total sessions, successful sessions, failed sessions, activated proxies. This section provides real-time data so you can monitor what the software is currently doing and how many sessions are successfully completed. Functions. The next section is Functions, which is the main working area of the software. Here you can add keywords, enter your target URL, set time duration, define the number of sessions, configure delay settings. You can also choose how the software runs. Cycle mode. In this mode, the software will process your keywords and URLs in sequence. Random mode. In this mode, the software works randomly. Sometimes it will select a keyword, and other times it will select a different URL. This makes the behavior appear more natural. Search engines. The next section is search engines. Here you can choose from which search engines you want to generate traffic. For example, Google, Bing, other supported search engines. If everything is properly configured, you can also use Select All to enable all search engines. Headless mode. Another important option is headless mode. For better results, it is recommended to keep headless mode turned off so the browser runs normally during the search process. Multiple targets. The software also supports multiple targets. This means you can add multiple URLs, multiple keywords at the same time. If you manage several websites, you can add all of them and run the software simultaneously. Schedule system. Next is the schedule system. If you want the software to run automatically at specific times, you can enable scheduling. You can schedule weekdays, weekends, Saturday and Sunday, or all days. You can also configure start time, number of runs, repeat, schedule. This is especially useful if you are running the software on a VPS or RDP, allowing it to work automatically. Proxy session. The proxy session section allows you to manage proxies. Here you can scrape, free proxies, validate proxies. Only the working proxies will be used by the system. These proxies can also change automatically over time. You can also export proxies. Clear proxies from this section. Sessions monitor. The sessions section shows detailed real-time reports. Here you can track running sessions, successful sessions, failed sessions. This helps you verify that the software is functioning properly. Settings. Finally, we have the settings section. When you run the software for the first time, the Flash Traffic Browser will automatically download and install. If it gets deleted for any reason, you can re-download it from the settings panel. You can also revalidate your license key from here if needed. Now that everything is configured, we will move to the next step and demonstrate how to start the software and see how Flash Traffic Board works in action.